Greetings and various assorted salutations. This is the unit tour for the final unit of Spring 2021 U.S. History 2. In this unit, we are covering the Great Depression and the New Deal. This is a very short unit, and it is the last one. You want to make sure that you're getting your assignments in on time because, well, the semester does end and time it will run out. So you want to make sure you're getting things done in a timely manner. Let's get into the tour itself. Right off the bat, the first thing I want to make sure you're aware of is that the Great Depression unit has an assessment that is a diary activity. I'll go into talking about it now because you should probably start at day 1 or 2 of this unit. Essentially what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking on the role of one of 6 characters. We've provided some characters with background information here. And you're going to be making diary entries, a total of 6 diary entries that kind of cover their experiences through the Great Depression. So you're going to be conducting some research, gathering information, citing your sources in MLA format to kind of create a what-if, a historical fiction narrative of what is it like to be at the Great Depression from the eyes of the person you choose. There is a rubric. Please use this rubric as a checklist. This is how I will grade the assignment on the entries. As for programs you can use, I would take Google Slides, Google Docs. I would take a Microsoft Word document, I suppose. I'm not really too picky on the file format. Please make sure it's shared correctly if you're sharing a document, or make sure you upload the document correctly, and I'm going to be grading it on the content. You have 2 weeks to work on this, so I would work on it alongside your other objectives. Going back into here. Another thing that you need to be working on is your social sciences quarter learning experiences. There are a total of 3 of these. There's a video thing, there is an article, and then there is a short writing prompt activity as well. And the short writing prompt and the article where you read it and answer some questions, those are due next week on the 19th. The video discussion board is due on the 12th this week, Wednesday. So please be aware of that. But those will be combined into a project score. And for some students, this is an excellent opportunity to improve your grades because there aren't a lot of projects in this class. And this will boost it up considerably if you take the time and put in an effort for a good grade on it. Moving on Monday and Tuesday, we'll be covering a lot of the Great Depression information, the Dust Bowl, that kind of stuff. The assignment we'll be looking at is rural America and Native Americans in the Great Depression. We'll have work time on that, especially on Tuesday and definitely Wednesday, and it is due on Wednesday at the end of the day. And then the rest of the week is focused on work days and work time to work on completing the various objectives that we need to finish. Going into the unit checklist to just run through things real quick there. We don't have a lot of assignments. The only assignments that are unique to this are the Rural American Native Americans in the Great Depression assignment and the Virtual Student Notebook. These 3 assignments are the quarter reading assignments, or the quarter learning experiences. And then you've got the Great Depression unit diary. There's going to be a lot of work time in these 2 weeks to get things done, because after these 2 weeks, starting with May 10th, that's it. The week after that is finals week, and the gradebook will close. So take the time to complete what we need to complete, learn the content, and let's finish this semester strong. In any case, until later.